Hello English learners, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a word that you hear all the time in conversations, movies, and podcasts. This word is practically everywhere. What word am I talking about? Actually, it's the word actually. In this video, we'll explore how this small word can be used to enrich our English. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll actually be a pro. We use actually in several ways, each adding a unique flavor to our sentence. First up, actually is often used to show contrast. It helps us to highlight the difference between what we might expect and what is true. Imagine your friend says, "I bet you're really into sports." You could reply, "Actually, I'm more interested in art and music." Here we use the word actually to introduce a contrasting idea that might surprise our friend. You're saying something beyond your friend's expectation and opposite to their ideas. Or let's say someone assumes you must love living in the city. You can respond with, actually, I prefer the peace and quiet in the countryside. What if your Mexican friend says, "You're not probably a fan of spicy food"? If your idea is exactly opposite, you could reply, "Oh, actually, I love spicy food." Great. Use actually to show a contrasting idea. We can also use actually to correct people. Picture this scenario. You're at work and your colleague says, "I think you said the meeting is at 3 o'clock. No, the meeting is not at 3 o'clock. Correct them by saying, actually, it's at 2 o'clock. Imagine one of your friends says, "I've heard you were born in New York." No, that's not true. Correct them and say, "Actually, I was born in Boston." One of your relatives tells you, "You graduated from university last year, right?" No, 5 years ago. Correct them like this. Actually, I graduated 5 years ago. Actually is a great word. It is used in different situations. You can use the word actually to emphasize an idea. When you want to make a point stronger or more clear, the word actually is here to help. Imagine you're explaining one of your favorite movies to your friend. It's not just a good movie. Actually, it's the best movie I've ever seen in my life. I highly suggest it. Or you've been to a restaurant and you're recommending it to your friend. It's a popular restaurant with good food. Actually, it's one of the top-rated places in town. Or maybe you're talking about a book. It's an interesting book. Actually, it changed the way I think about life. And finally, imagine you're introducing my YouTube channel to your friend who is learning English. How would you use actually to emphasize your idea? Comment your sentence below. Great, we did it. To summarize quickly, we use actually to show contrast, correct someone, and emphasize an idea. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you don't miss any updates. I'll be back very soon with more videos. Thank you very much for your support and your time to watch. See you next time.